Campbell barn. And my name is Devon.
And my name's Taylor. All right, so today we're gonna plant sunflowers. And we have a whole variety of sunflower seeds. First, let me show you. I have the dwarf teddy bear sunflower. And then I have the autumn beauty, which is really beautiful. Hold on. And then I have the sunflower dwarf teddy bear. And we also have the golden honey bear. And these are really pretty. I think these are one of my favorites with the autumn beauty. And we also have the sunflower evening sun. Okay, so they're all beautiful. Okay, so you're gonna start with this one. Put all of these in, and we're roughly gonna do 10 seeds each. So why do we pick sunflower seeds, you ask? Because sunflower seeds, they're just the beautiful ones that really warm your heart in the summer. I think everybody loves sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
And children.
Yeah, people don't like them because they think they are not cool. But,
Oh yeah.
But they really are cute.
Yeah, they really are cute. See, we know they're really cute. But you just have to realize that. So we're gonna go ahead and drop these in. And also, you know, if the birds don't get to them before you get to them, you do get sunflower. But sometimes the birds beat you to it. So we're gonna put 6.
But the good thing is you have
10.
If you have something like but don't use poison or mud. If you do that, you won't have any more plants or pet birds. That really is bad.
So why do you like sunflower seeds?
Because they're super cool.
They're super cool. And they're super pretty. So show us your pictures of you planting your sunflower seeds. We're gonna go ahead and put this here so we remember which one it is. And then, also what we're gonna do is we're gonna soak these for 8 hours. So just overnight, and then in the morning you can plant them. And we're gonna go ahead and show you guys that too.
Then what have to go on here?
10 each too.
10 each.
So if you listen to us, you'll grow wonderful sunflower seeds. Oh, here, why don't you go ahead and use this one? Oh, this one comes in another packet too. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 10 of these to plant. Are you ready? Here you go.
I'm gonna do that one.
4, 5. Wrong one. This one. So make sure you get them in the right one. That's important. So then you know what name it is. And also some are dwarf and some are not. And that was the golden honey bear.
But the golden honey bear made me up because it does look like this thing.
And we have a variety. So you have the option if you want to do a variety, but we had all these. Okay, so we're down to our last one. And also, so I have these cups. I got these when I traveled to Italy. So right now they're going to be used for seeds instead of what they originally used for.
But if you want to look at the butterfly I found,
keep them in the water for 8 hours. Please subscribe. We have our butterfly that we have to release. And please like this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Good morning, everybody. So we've been up pretty early. I did teach this morning, which was perfect because I couldn't leave these to germinate any longer than 8 hours because then you're doing more damage than good. Now I have my favorite pot here and let me explain why. And it's safe because it's used to plant edible products. Our puppy had chewed on it apparently.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant these. I have them all lined out separately and we're gonna take them out here, obviously, once they get bigger. So let me give you guys a little bit of fun facts on these while I'm putting the first one in. This is the sunflower dwarf teddy bear, which your kids will love that name. So if you're trying to plant a native to North America, in particularly Missouri, plant sunflowers. They're native here, which is brilliant. So the butterflies will probably really love well, maybe not the butterflies, but all the birds. Sorry.
I saved a butterfly yesterday.
He saved a butterfly yesterday.
His name was Butter and Cutie.
Yeah, he named it Butter and Cutie. Okay, so some of the seeds are hard to get off your hand, I'm sure you can see. But you just gotta keep getting in there and just get them all. Okay, so another fun fact. These are royalty plants. You know why? They were brought to Russia as a royal flower. So that's a pretty cool cool fact. It was as a present. Okay. All right, next we'll do the golden honey bear. They really like bears on the sunflowers. Okay, so we have these. These seeds look a little bigger, so they'll probably be a little easier to take out and just plant. And another thing is, do you know why they move outside in the sun? They try to track the sun, so that's why you see them turned in the field. I always wondered why they did that as a child, and now I know why. So even you could do a fun little science activity on that and show your children and explain why that happens, which will be really neat. If you ever have a flower inside, sometimes they lean. Okay, we got one more seed in there that's trapped. Okay, so next we have the sunflower evening. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. And also another fact, it has a history of healing, which is really cool. So go ahead and do your research. You know, if I find any little facts on that, we'll have to share that later on once they grow up. And then another really cool one. So if you have any space travelers out there, children that love space, you can share with them that this has gone all the way to space. So they took their seeds up there to see if they could germinate up there, which is amazing. And I do believe it actually worked. So you could really show your children that. And I bet you guys can't guess how tall these grow, which is another cool fact. They grow 30 feet tall. So when they grow, after you plant these.
And 30 feet tall is almost that tall at our house. Yeah.
The tallest is 30 feet. Let me reword that. So that's a record. However, they grow really tall. Some of them can grow tall. Yeah, maybe that tall, depending on what packet you'd have. So once they grow up in your garden, send pictures of your kids underneath them so we can see.
Only right by my leg. That's the only smallest one. That's bigger than young.
Okay, we have one last one. Okay, so make sure you only soak these for 8 hours. Luckily, I've already been up since 4 a.m. due to teaching, so I was here right on the exact mark to plant them. But if not, set your alarm so you wake up and plant them, because if they're in there any longer than 8 hours, it's not going to do any good. But doing this, it does cut your germination rate, which could be up to 14 days, roughly in half. So that's a significant difference instead of waiting so long. And especially maybe if you're planting them later on, that's perfect. All right, so we have our last one in, and I forgot to say this is the dwarf teddy bear. And this one was the autumn beauty. I think this one is my favorite, along with the golden honey bear. All right, I also want to say that either Friday or Saturday, this coming Friday or Saturday, I'm going to do a Mother's Day craft. So make sure you have all your material ready. So let me go ahead and tell you now. So we're going to paint fingers. So if you have safe paint for kids that they can use, that's great. Use that. If not, use markers. Use a colored pencil or use a pen, and you could draw really pretty shapes in the middle or really color it in beautiful.
But we have safe paint for me.
Yeah, we have safe paint.
I know a safe paint. The one that made where paint busted.
Yeah, so your hands can touch it. So there's different types of paint. So it's up to you what type of paint you want to use, but I would use the safe paint. That's the one that's better for you.
And if you don't use the safe paint, your hand might get a little... Your hand might get a little...
Okay.
Your body might get a little Tuesday.
Yeah, so use only safe paint and use color. Also, another aspect is you can paint this on one if you have a pot, certain types of pots, though, make sure. You could paint your hand right on there. It would be really pretty, and if you have a flower, put it in there. Also, get a cardboard. So even if you eat pizza, let's say, and they have the round cardboards, take that and you can paint on there. If you're younger kids, you can write a little message on there, Happy Mother's Day, if not just a paper. So get creative, use whatever you have in the house, but tune in Friday and Saturday, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just have your crafts ready. All right, please subscribe.
But hit the like button.
And hit the like button.
Also, don't worry about the flowers that don't go. When the Bible's all done, you can come to our house and tell us what's happening.
Okay, well, we'll share our pictures too. Have a good day.
But don't come in one day. That's a bad day.
Bye.